Hello everybody, I'm CodePal. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you some basics of Python. I'll be showing you how to generate a simple script and how to modify that script. So firstly, you want to see whether you have Python downloaded onto your computer. For that, you'd want to go onto Terminal and type in Python 3. Following that, you'll find out what version of Python you have. So in my particular case of 3.9.5. In the case you don't have Python onto your computer, you'd want to follow in the links that I've shown in the description below and download Python onto your computer. I'm going to exit out, and then I'm going to be using a text editing software, VS Code, to generate my script. I'm going to zoom into VS Code for a better view, and I will be clicking on new file, and then I'm going to write basic_python.py. The .py indicates that this is a Python file, and that's the extension that is used. In addition, the editing software that I'm using, VS Code, recognizes this is a Python file, and that's why the blue logo appears. I'm going to click on Command S and enter, and that is going to generate my file. For today, I'm going to be using the print function. So for that, I'm going to type in print, open parentheses, open quotation marks, welcome to my channel, exclamation mark, close quotations, close parentheses. And then after I've done that, I'm going to press Ctrl S. To be able to run my file, I would first need to write in Python 3 and then the path of my file. Since I'm in the same location in VS Code where I save my file as I'm in terminal, all I would have to do is type in the name of my file. So in my case, it's basic_python.py, and I would click enter, return, and as you can see it, I get welcome to my channel. Another important component of scripts is comments. Comments can either be written at the top of the script or they can be written in between chunks of code. Comments allow for other individuals who are also contributing to the code to be able to understand the changes you have made to the code as well as what the code attempts to execute. So for you to be able to write a comment, you would use the hashtag symbol and write your comment. So in my case, I would write hashtag this file prints welcome to my channel. There are many things that you can add as comments. You can choose to add a date. You can choose to add other authors who've also contributed to your code. You can choose to add any packages needed to run the code. You can also print multiple lines. So you would write print function again and then type in whatever you wanted to get printed again. So I would do welcome a second time. And I would again press Ctrl S and save. Now I'm going to head on to terminal and run my script. When I run it, I get 2 lines of code, welcome to my channel and welcome a second time. When I look at my script more closely, I notice that I have comments and I have 2 things I'm printing, and that's exactly what my script does. When I run it, it generates 2 lines. It generates welcome to my channel followed by welcome a second time. So let's say instead of writing both the lines on separate lines, I wanted both of them printed on the same line. I would call upon a built-in feature called end, and usually it's set to the default of /n, which stands for next line, but I don't want to print on the next line. So I'd actually remove the /n and instead write a comma. I would also add an additional comma right before end, and I would save this file. And then I want to head on to terminal and run this file, and let's see what happens. When I run this file, I'm going to get welcome to my channel, comma, welcome a second time. So this was my basic introduction to Python. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is CodePal signing out.